Would you kindly join me on a junkyard journey?
Maybe on the beach. Yes.
We're close to El Gordo's. Hey, we made it. So, okay, yeah, I said that already. Alright, so the goal is to get to the Scion XBs and try to find the best one we can. Alright, so likely the Scions are with the Toyota, so let's head there. What's these? Okay, so no engine. One in Z. Also missing the starter. We got 1, 2, 3. Sorry, how are you? Well, with someone else going after the cruise control in there, doesn't seem like they want the starter, so I can get that later. There's another XB, let's check that out. Looks like it's still on this one too, so. I think we have just enough room to reach in, get the starter now. Oh, that was fun. Now we know that the Prius FXE doesn't work with the FE stuff, and the XB stuff does work, which is cool. Good to learn. We got the part we needed. See if we can find any cool cars. This is kind of what Kyle works on. I love this color. It's like seafoam green. It's really cool. What happened to this? Holy crap. It was on fire. I have no idea what this is, but it looks so cool. It's all chopped up. Oh, of course. It's a 280Z. And then this is just like right next to it. Kind of want to buy just the wheel. It's pretty rad. It's our junkyard journey haul. We got this cool steering wheel. I've no clue anything about it. If you do, please let me know in the comments. We got ourselves a starter off the XB. And this, what's this for? All right. So the Corolla one does work. And now we can huck the car around without hearing doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hey, I hope you had a good time. Thank you for joining me on this junkyard journey where we picked up a starter for our 2007 Toyota Yaris. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.